For the fifth straight season, the BSU soccer team is dancing. The Beavers earned the 6th seed in the NSIC tournament after finishing 9-6 in conference play. And one of those 9 wins came last Friday against Minnesota Duluth, who happens to be the team BSU plays tomorrow in the quarterfinals. The Beavers beat UMD 1-0 4 days ago, so their confidence is high leading into tomorrow. And BSU goalkeeper Sonia Barr, who's a Duluth native, is extra motivated.
It's like having another home game for me. So, I mean, my family's going to be there. I get to see my grandma. I'm really stoked, and I think we're going to have a really great game.
We want to make history, and that would be beating Duluth on their field. We've never done that there, and we've only made it in my 5 years being here. We've only made it to the semis one time. So to make that, it would be an incredible experience for us.
BSU and UMD kick off tomorrow at 5 p.m. in Duluth.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.